Hello everyone, welcome back to the asynchronous programming in C#. So in this video we will discuss about the task return value. For an example, like if we have any method, that method is returning something and we want to capture the result of that method, then how we can do using the task. So basically when we talk about the task, so .NET framework provide us a generic class of that task, and basically, like as we know in the C#, if we talk about the generic, it means we can pass any type of the data into that, and according to that it will proceed. So here you can see the task is basically indicate with the T, and T here represent the data type. So using TaskT class we can return data or value from a task. In TaskT, the T represents the data type that you want to return as a result from the task. So let's understand how we can implement such kind of the things. So let's go to the Visual Studio, and in this Visual Studio, like previously what we have done, we have like printing some number using this task.run method. Now what I will do, instead of this print counter, what I will do here, I will do like total. So this is the my method name, and here like what I will say, this method take as the one variable, and according to this one what I will do, I'll print like I'll make this loop over this, and inside this one here what I will do, this will return one integer, and now here I will take a one local variable, and that is the sum equal to 0. Now in this sum what I will do, sum equal to sum plus count. So basically what I am doing here, like from here I am generally what is doing, I am making a loop till this max whatever we are assigning from here, and based on that what we are doing, we are making a sum, and then from here we will do return the sum. So this is the normal method which we are using. Now calling this method, in here we have to make some changes, and what is that, like first of all this task, like currently this is a normal class, now we have to call the generic class. So generic class we call like using this, and you can see the T result, like what is the result type. So here we have to assign as a integer. Now next thing what we have to do here in this method, now instead of this what we have to call, we have to call this total, and basically it returns some data. So what we have to write, so let's take it into the new row, and here what I will say, like return this method, and it takes some number, so that I will assign as a 5. So this is the normal process. Like first what we did, we created one method which returns some data type, and now we have to implement it using the task. So now we are using the task generic class, and through that one first we have given the result data type here, and then since this like this method returns some number or some value, so we have to use the return here. So once I will run this application, what it will give, it will loop till 5, and based on that it will give us the result of sum in the command output window. Oh, so since we are not printing, like we are not taking the result of this task anywhere, that's why we can't see output here. So what I will do after this wait, here I will say console dot write line, and inside this one we will print, and that is sum is. So now here what we have to do, we know this task has a one property, and that is result. So let's use this one, task1 dot result. So this we have to call, and we can see it is a property, that is the integer type, means that has the get only. So let's call this. So once I will run this application, so at point of this time we should see the output, and we can see the sum is 15. So when we add the number from 1 to 5, it gives us 15. So this is the way we can call a task with the return type method. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.